Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hi everyone. Welcome to the very first video in my series, Starting a YouTube Channel. Over the next few videos, I'll walk you step by step through the process of building a channel from scratch, sharing not only the how-tos but also the lessons I've learned along the way. Now, here's the big question, where do you actually begin? Most people start right on YouTube. Years ago, when I first tried, I jumped straight into channel customization. But I didn't realize there are actually 2 steps you should take before heading to YouTube. And today, we're going to cover the most important one. Step 1 is research. Now, if you're starting a channel purely out of passion, something you love and simply want to share, you can skip this step. But if your goal is to make money online, then research is non-negotiable. For example, I'm building channels around Santa, YouTube, Dailymotion, and possibly Rumble. When I ran keyword research with a free tool called Ubersuggest, I discovered the competition was way too high. Ideally, you want to target keywords with a search difficulty score in the 30s or lower. That tells me the Santa niche is pretty crowded. But I've also learned a little trick, making seasonal Christmas videos. Even in a competitive niche, research tools like Ubersuggest or TubeBuddy can help uncover keyword phrases with great traffic potential and much less competition. Research doesn't end with keywords. You also want to test the waters. For example, I just launched a Dailymotion channel. It only has 1 video so far, but within the first 12 hours, it already had 96 views. I haven't even launched a TikTok channel for Santa's Workshop TV yet. This stage is simply experimenting, learning, and seeing what works. Another important part of research is looking at what's already out there. Get on YouTube and search your niche. Are people watching those videos? In the Santa niche, one top video got over 15 million views in its very first week, Christmas Jammies, by the Holderis family. That tells me there's definitely an audience. But it also tells me the competition is fierce, like diving into shark-infested waters when you're still learning to swim. Research is what helps you avoid those sharks and stay afloat. Truth bomb now, here's the truth, most people fail at building an online business. Around 97% fail, and I believe the odds online are even tougher. Why? Because the dream of making money online is often sold to us. And when someone is selling the dream, they are usually selling their tools, courses, or memberships at the same time. Don't fall into that trap. Don't spend money your new business doesn't have. Stick to free tools, free platforms, and free alternatives in the beginning. This not only keeps your risk low but also increases your chances of sticking with it long term. Finally, let's talk about time. It's going to take time before you see money coming in, and even longer before it becomes steady. For most of us, that means weeks or even months. But here's the key, consistency. The more time and consistent effort you put into your channel, the better your chances of success. So that's step 1, research. In the next video, we'll dive into step 2, planning your channel, creating a roadmap so you can work your plan and not just hope for results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along as we go through this YouTube journey together.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.